meets the eye. Autobots wage their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons, the Transformers. Robots save the skies. The Transformers. More than meets the eye. The Transformers.
Many millions of years ago, on the planet Cybertron, life existed. But not life as we know it today. Intelligent robots that could think and feel inhabited the cities. They were called Autobots and Decepticons. But the brutal Decepticons were driven by a single goal: total domination. They set out to destroy the peace-loving Autobots, and a war between the forces of good and evil raged across Cybertron, devastating all in its path, draining the planet's once rich sources of energy. The Autobots, on the verge of extinction, battled valiantly to survive.
There's not enough energy in these conductors to last a Cortex.
Well, at least we found these, Wheeljack.
And when these run out?
Can't worry about that now. Hey, let's get back to Iacon.
Load up!
I bet Optimus Prime will be glad to see us.
We're nearing the bridge to Iacon. 1 mega-mile to go.
Ah, home sweet home.
Uh-oh. A Decepticon welcoming committee.
Autobots, stop them!
Prime told me there'd be days like this.
And you didn't believe him?
I do now.
We've got to get these energy conductors back to Iacon.
I'm right behind you.
Mind if I cut in? After them!
Yeah, I think it's my rear axle.
Well, hang on to your crankshaft. I'm shifting into overdrive.
They've gone underground. We'll never catch them now! We better report back to Megatron.
Wheeljack to Iacon. We're coming in.
Laserbeak, prepare for flight. Destination, Iacon. Operation, assimilation. Laserbeak, Autobot alert. Disclosure averted. Continue observation.
Any luck, Jazz?
Negative. North side of Cybertron's blacker than the inside of a drive shaft.
Unless a new supply of energy is found, nobody is going to win this war.
When do we start the search mission?
Soon as you're ready to launch.
There's a new source of energy to be found. The Decepticons must find it first.
Autobots are set to launch Megatron.
As are we. Shockwave!
What is your command, Megatron?
You are to stay behind. I entrust Cybertron to you, Shockwave.
Fear not, Megatron. Cybertron shall remain as you leave it.
Excellent! Now it's merely a matter of time until Optimus Prime admits defeat. The Autobots would have lost eons ago if I'd been calling the shots. Starscream, only a select few ever leave. My time will come, Megatron. Never. Never! Prepare to blast off!
All systems go!
Ignition.
Contact.
Blast off!
Look,
What is it?
an asteroid.
There's another one.
They're going to collide. Leaking lubricant. Hang on, everybody.
Meteor shower. Meteor shower.
We're losing our power!
Just! Ironhide, man the laser gun. Got it. Fire!
Follow them! Follow them!
Viewtrex report. We are being followed.
Decepticons.
Have been detected.
Stay with them! Let's just blow them away! They've seen us! No! I want to know what they're after. Prepare the tractor beam!
They've made a magnetic junction. I can't shake them.
Fire the laser. Nothing. Power's used up.
Release the boarding chute!
They're coming aboard.
Prepare for battle.
Attack! Attack!
What's happening?
G-forces. They're dragging us down.
We're out of control.
The Transformers will return after these messages. We now return to the Transformers.
Explore! Explore! Repair! Repair! Megatron, my leader, we are alive again. Quickly, we must revive the other Decepticons. Much time has passed. We are on a planet far from Cybertron, but our mission has not changed. How do we know Cybertron still exists? It must exist. And if this land is filled with resources, we shall return home with the power to build the ultimate weapon and conquer the universe. Starscream!
I'm just saying goodbye.
Save your energy. The Autobots have taken their last flight.
Thanks for the ride, Prime. Too bad you can't go the rest of the way.
Explore! Explore! Repair! Repair!
Thanks.
We'll set up here. Those rocks will serve as our base of operations. Soundwave, prepare plans for a new space cruiser. Starscream, convert the area for construction.
What about materials?
Use your imagination.
Well, any ideas?
There.
Great, but I'll need some help.
Rumble. Activate pile drivers. Operation Destruction.
Let's do it!
This new planet is rich with sources of energy. But the Decepticons must know this too. So we must find them and stop them. Hound,
Right here, Prime.
scout the area. See if you can locate the Decepticons.
Just turn me loose, Prime. I'll sniff them out.
I'm going too. I want to boot some Decepticon right in his turbocharger.
Easy, Cliff Jumper. Just find them. We'll deal with them later. Good luck.
Someday I'll be giving the orders, Rumble. You'll do what I say.
Look, Starscream, Megatron is strong. He's merciless. He can't be beaten. And you'll never be our leader.
I will find a way. Everyone has a weakness.
Yeah? Well, not Megatron.
We shall see. Now, shake things up a little. I'm impressed.
Sure is a lot different than Cybertron out here.
Don't fall in love with it, Hound. We won't be staying that long.
You smell something, Cliff Jumper?
No?
I do. I think we just found the Decepticons. Follow me. I was right.
Let's get down there and bend some metal.
Ease off your throttle, Cliff Jumper. Remember what Prime said. Just find them.
What are they doing?
Let's find out.
I will plunder Earth and steal its precious resources.
We can concentrate the energy into energon cubes and store them in the new space cruiser.
How ironic! By leading us to this planet, the Autobots have sealed their own doom.
Cliff Jumper, what are you doing?
I've got Megatron dead center in my viewfinder.
Who could be firing on us?
Who even knows we're here?
The Autobots.
Impossible.
They're the only ones.
Soundwave, send Laserbeak to investigate.
Laserbeak, prepare for flight. Course heading northeast.
Now you've done it.
Let's burn rubber. What is that thing up there?
I don't know, but we can't seem to shake it.
Let's split up. It can't follow both of us.
Right. At least one of us will get back to Prime. Accelerator down. Eat my dust, bird brain!
You couldn't hit an Autobot with a moonbeam. Try this. It's a gas.
You don't give out, do you?
The Transformers will return after these messages. We now return to the Transformers.
Where'd they get you?
I think it's my drivetrain.
Can you transform?
I don't think so.
I'm sorry, hon. It's my fault. I shouldn't have fired on Megatron.
You shouldn't have missed, you mean?
Huh? Yeah, right! Holler! Pull him up!
I can't believe the Autobots survived.
Neither can Megatron. They thought he'd blow a fuse when he found out. Hey, what's that?
Let's find out.
Okay, Reflector. Let's see what you can see. Thundercracker to Soundwave. Thundercracker to Soundwave.
Proceed, Thundercracker.
Alien vehicle approaching. Possible Autobot. Release Ravage.
I don't understand it, Joe. Looks like a tornado hit this place.
I don't like it. Something's wrong. Real wrong.
Look out!
And that's all we heard, Prime. They're gonna put the energy in some kind of cube, then haul it back to Cybertron.
Jazz, organize a battle unit. We're going after them.
Pow! Jailbreaker! Wheeljack! Ironhide, Mirage, Sunstreaker! Sideswipe! Autobots, start your engines! Ready, Prime.
Let's roll.
Megatron, Laserbeak has returned. He has found a source of energy.
Excellent. Excellent.
Give me a hand, Spike. We gotta raise this bit. Flush it out.
Right, Dad. I'll get the baler.
Dive! Dive!
Look, up there! What is it?
What are they?
Everybody, come on! Come on!
Stop! Let go of my dad!
Bye! Starscream, activate the null ray. Now! Soundwave, prepare the Energon cubes.
We did it! We did it, Megatron! The energy is ours! We can go back to Cybertron!
You fool, Starscream. This is but a small fraction of the energy we need. We must suck this planet Earth dry.
It's the Autobots!
Decepticons, transform! Transform! Don't interfere, Prime!
Give it up, Megatron!
The universe is mine! So long, Prime! Have a nice swim! Here's something to keep you warm!
Help! We can't get out! Somebody save us! The fire! It's coming closer!
I can't lift it. Too heavy. Grab onto me. Keep your heads above water.
The Transformers will return after these messages. In the next episode of The Transformers, the evil Decepticons create a tremendous tidal wave. Optimus Prime battles his arch-enemy Megatron high atop Sherman Dam. And Megatron discovers the ruby crystals of Burma, all in the next exciting episode of The Transformers.